Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make these feminine wall decors. So this is the bicycle that I want to work with, and these are the flowers. I want to make it half circle. I want to put flowers over there. These are flowers from the old project that I want to use it right now. I will use different sizes of the flower. Just make sure that the flowers that you are putting together should tell one story as a wall. Try different spot for your flowers. Try everything. Just be creative with it and do whatever that looks good to you. So I want to show you, this is how I will pull off the flowers from the bush. Before I didn't know I was cutting it like that, but now just pulling it out is easier, and you can glue it together, and by the time you are done with the project you can just put them back together if you want. If not, just throw it away. So for the second part of the project, I'm going to use these two metal things that I don't know what's supposed to do, but now it's a treasure to me, and I want to use these wallpapers to cover it. These self-adhesive wallpapers are also from another project, and I'm going to cut it according to the measurements. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Use these flowers as you want to do it. If you want to use bigger flowers like I did, use like 2 or 3 of them. But if you want to use smaller flowers, you can use as many as you want. Just don't make it too crowded. At the same time, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.